With the development of technology, people try to extend their living lands. Since there is a competition to acquire lands, people tend to clear forest. They use these forests as industrial areas, habitations, cultivation lands, and etc. Due to this, deforestation is growing in an exponential manner than in the past. Therefore, deforestation is going to be a huge threat to the environment. However, if we can compare new satellite images of those areas with past images, we can identify what happened to those precious forests. GreenBay application is a deep learning system that does an observation to an area selected by the user and generates a comprehensive report about that area. Environmentalists also need to do a higher level observation of forest land changes over the time. This application provides them with precious information to identify changes occurred to forest in Sri Lanka. There are many researchers who are seeking information on deforestation for their research purposes. This system provides quick solution to their needs. Users can get help from different authorities. Those authorities update news about different locations and that news will be shown to the users via on map note or posting feed. Authorities can publish posts related to forest preservation in the feed and add notes in the map. Authorities can use this feed as a medium to communicate with the public. This system can be used as a study material. Students who require deforestation data of Sri Lanka for study purposes can use this system to gather required information through the question and answer platform.
This is the architecture of GreenBay system. The GreenBay system has mobile application and a web application. Mobile application is hosted on Mediafire and web application is hosted on Amazon Web Services. Both of these need to communicate with Django REST API, which is hosted on Heroku Cloud. REST API also uses ML model to generate reports. Images needed for these reports are get from Google Earth Engine. All mail sendings are done through Google Mail Sending Agent. The system collects vast amount of data. All of this data is stored in MongoDB database, which is hosted on Atlas Cloud. That's how GreenBay system works.
This is the landing page. In here, user can easily access the features of the system. There are 3 different users in the system: registered users, unregistered users, and authority users. Let us take a look after signing in as a registered user. If user is not registered to the GreenBay yet, user can easily register from here and fill all the fields. In there, user password will be sent to email account for email verification. After successful login, user will be redirected to the landing page again. Let's take a look at GreenBay's main feature, that is generate land reports and deforestation reports. Both can be accessed by any user. In land report, user can pick a location and click add location. And next, after that, system will show all the satellite image dates of recent years. User can just pick one date and click next. System will show the Google Earth Engine image of the pick date. Then report can be generated easily by get the report button. Then system will automatically analyze the picture and give this nice looking pie chart to give the clear understanding. So let's move on to the deforestation report. Here also, after picking a place on the map, press add location and next. After that, user can choose 2 dates to investigate the difference of the same area. And after going next, user can clearly see the difference that happened to the same area with the time. To watch attractively as before, user can get the report and get a clear understanding. Okay, with the main features, there are some other features as well. This page is made to express the ideas and questions. And to access this page, user must be logged in. Normal registered user can ask question from authority member. Here is the list of different authorities, and after selecting authority, user can simply ask a question and fill the question title description. After that, ministry user can reply those questions from the other end. Or if the question is not suitable, authority user can delete the question. As soon as question is replied, the one who asked the question will be notified by a email and Android notification. Let's move on to the next feature. When accessing the map, user may want to save some important locations. User has the ability to save their own notes by picking a point on map, type something and add the note. In here, there are two types of notes. Private notes are added by normal registered user and public notes are added by authority users. Public notes are shown like flags and others are private notes. And user can delete their private notes if it is not important. And the next feature in GreenBay is feed page. This page can be accessed by any user, but feeds can only be added by authority users. Authority user can simply click this and fill the feed title, feed description and upload the feed photo. As soon as the feed is added to the system, all the users will be notified with the email and Android notification. Those are the features of the GreenBay Deforestation Tracker. Additionally, user can view their profile and change the current password if needed. And if user has forgotten the password, just pressing forgot password and giving the email information, user can easily reset it.
GreenBay system has an Android application. You can download this Android application using our media file link. This app is already installed on this device. Let's see what we can do with this app. At the top of the application, you can see the features of this application. You can view question and answering, you can view posts, you can view notes, and you can generate report. If you want to visit us, just click this button. You can visit us using our web application, our YouTube channel, or LinkedIn. At the bottom of the application, there is an About Us button. By clicking this, you can see the details of the developers. Let's observe these features one by one. Note. Here you can see all the public notes published by the ministry users. By clicking a marker, you can expand the details of that note. However, to view private notes, you need to log in. Let's see that later. Then let's try to reach Q&A page. You can see Q&A page is only allowed for signed in users. So let's look this later. Then let's look at feed page. In feed page, we can see all the posts published by authority users. Here comes the main feature of this system. Here you can generate reports for selected land areas. Let's see how we can do this. First you need to select a location. Then click Get Dates. Then select the date and click Fetch Image. There it shows the satellite image of selected location and date. If you're okay with that, click Generate Report. Here is the land report for that image. Here you can see the percentage of different content of this image. Now let's focus on account management part. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. After successful sign up, your password will be sent to email. I already have an account, so I am using that account to sign in. After successful signing, 2 more features are unlocked. Let's see what those are. Now you unlock the private notes. In here you can see your own notes. Next one. Now you can access Q&A. Select ministry and see the questions and answers provided by them. If you visit my account page again, here you can see the basic details of your account. If you are done, you can sign out. These are the main features of GreenBay Android application. For more, visit our web application.